Saving telco from itself. Overcoming the top 5 challenges in 2024 Part 5. Follow the gravity of open architectures. 2024 will be a key year for telcos to embrace a solution mindset and make the transition to software-driven success. How does the telco industry save itself from itself and successfully transform? Here are the top 5. Own a solution mindset. Invest in software excellence. Embrace the edge. Follow the gravity of open architectures. Dial down the Futurama. Let's double-click on Follow the Gravity of Open Architectures. There has been a lot of hand-wringing about the move from DRAN to CRAN to vRAN to ORAN. Those are significant transitions for an industry that can struggle with change. Every telco needs a plan to get there because that's where the gravity is. In a similar vein to open architectures for the network stack, other open architectures need to be embraced by telco like cloud-native developer and ML operations. Orchestration that leverages CNCF containers is crucial for telcos, and the ability to embrace cloud developers and leverage their CI/DI process, as well as the ability to orchestrate workloads across the edge. This will be a key success factor to cost-optimize operations, deeply embed AI into those operations, and frankly just move faster. A good example of following the gravity of open architecture is Dish Networks, who are deploying an ORAN-based solution across the US, with AT&T and others following suit. We don't want telcos to help us to escape to the future, but we need to make today work by committing to the transformation needed to save the telco industry from itself. Subscribe and share. Stay tuned for Part 6, the conclusion.